Welcome to today's session. We will start with warm up. Let's start with neck exercise. Keep the hands at the waistline. Little distance between two legs. Exhaling, head down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, take it back. Try to stretch neck up. Head touching the backbone. Inhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn right, chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch a little more back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn to left, chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, center. Inhaling, right. Exhaling, center. Inhaling, left. Exhaling, come to center. Now, inhaling, turn towards right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn to left ear on the left shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling, come to left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Do it 2 more times. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Now we will rotate anti-clockwise. Inhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. One more time. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax the head. Now keep both the hands straight. Forward. Palms looking down. Exhaling. Bring the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Now, keep the hands on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Relax. Now, keep right hand straight. Slowly bring it towards, left hand straight. Bring it towards the right hand and lock it with elbow. Right elbow. Bring it close to the neck. Stretch it back. Keeping left hand straight. Slowly release. Now do it with the other leg. Other hand. Keep the right hand straight. Take the left hand from the below. Lock the elbow and try to push it back. Slowly relax. Now we will do shoulder ball movement. Only shoulder ball, forward movement. And then reverse. Now keep hands straight. Now fold the palms, fingers coming close to each other. Slowly, wrist coming together, stretch the palms back. Do it 3-4 times. Stretch at both the levels, both the sides. Similarly, up and down. Stretch maximum when it goes up. Similarly, when they come down, stretch it inside. Do it 3-4 times. Now make a fist of the hands. Rotate clockwise 3-4 times, keeping elbow straight. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Now move the entire hand randomly. Relax. Keep both the legs together, hands along with the body. Inhaling, keeping both the feet on the floor, stretch yourself up. Exhaling, bend towards your left, only towards left. Inhaling, slowly come back. Again inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend towards right. Lift the chin up so that you will be able to bend a little more. Inhaling, come back. Now cross the legs. Keep the right feet towards the left. Both the feet on the floor. Lock both the knees together. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Inhaling, stretch up and bend back as much as possible. And exhaling, slowly bend forward and see that fingers are touching the floor and forehead coming towards the knees. If you can touch the fingers on the floor, try to place the palm on the floor. Inhaling slowly, lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways. Now the other side. Left leg goes to the right. Lock both the knees. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Inhale, stretch up and bend back. Exhaling, slowly bend forward, shoulders coming along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring hands from the sideways and normalize the legs. Now keep little distance between two legs, more than shoulder width. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Stretch up and bend back as much as possible without bending the knees. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward in any asana. Hands going towards the feet. Without bending knees, bend forward a little more. Now slowly swing. Right hand coming towards left feet. Left hand going up. Similarly, left hand coming to the right feet. Right hand going up. Swing. Look towards the hand going up. Lower back down. Slowly come back. Both the knees, both the legs together. Hands on the knees. Exhaling, bend forward. And straighten them while inhaling. Do it 2-3 times. Now rotate clockwise 2-3 times. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Relax. Sit on the asana. Preparation for Padmasana. Bring both the heels together. Bring it close to the Janga Moon, the thigh joint. We will do Titli Asana, the butterfly. Hold the toes with both the hands and try to flap the knees towards the floor. Now bringing heels very close to the hip joints. Exhaling, bend forward and see forehead is touching the toes. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Straighten the knees, straighten the legs. We will put Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel on the right side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Heels very close to each other. Knees on the floor. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will normalize the breathing pattern. Deep and long breathing. Completely exhale. See, the root of the navel touches the backbone. Apply Mulbandh. Pulling the perineal muscles is Mulbandh. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulbandh. Hold for some time. Relax and repeat. Exhale completely. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Mulbandh. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulbandh. Release Mulbandh and repeat one more time. Relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape and 1:1 ratio. Inhale. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Vrikshasana today. Both the legs together, hands along with the body. Fold the right leg. Place the heel very close to the hip joint, Jangha. Toes looking down. The entire feet should be attached to the thighs. Inhaling, once you get the balance, inhaling, take both the hands up from the sideways and join the palms at the top, Namaskar Mudra. And start focusing on any one point. Once you get the balance, you can slowly close your eyes if you can. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. We will do it from the left leg. Fold the left leg, place the heel very close to the hip joint, toe looking down, knee towards left in 90 degrees. Inhaling, take both the hands up, join the palms at the top. Elbow should be straight. Now start focusing on any one point. The memory power will improve, concentration will increase. You will get the balance in the body and the life. Exhaling, slowly bring hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. Relax. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart, hands along with the body. Close your eyes. First come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Place it at the root of the thumbs should be placed at the root of the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Both the shoulders attached to the ears. Inhaling, stretch up and bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra behind the throat on the backbone. Thyroid problem will go away. Exhaling, shoulders along with the ears slowly bend forward. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the backbone. Knee straight. Bend little more. Try to place the palms on the floor. Forehead coming towards the knees. If you cannot place the palms on the floor, try to touch fingers on the floor, but don't bend the knees. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Knee very close to the floor, but not touching the floor. Left leg 90 degrees in between two hands. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra behind reproductive organs on the backbone. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs. Try to place the heels on the floor, chin at the throat cavity, concentration at Sahasrara Chakra, crown of the head. The sciatica problem will go away. The blockages will go away because of the blood gush towards the heart for purification. Inhaling, slowly bring the body parallel to the floor, knees straight, elbows straight, entire weight on the palms and the toes. Stay there for some time. First, knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Little lift lower abdomen a little. Palms very close to the chest, elbows looking up. Concentration at Anahata chakra behind the heart on the backbone. The ego problem will go away. The purified blood will move towards the brain. The brain function will improve. Pushing body forward, lift yourself up. Elbow straight, lower back down. Chest bent back. Concentration at Mooladhara chakra. Tip of the backbone. From navel, entire body should be bent back. The spinal cord issues will go away. The back pain will not happen. Exhaling, lift yourself up. Go back and place the heels on the floor. Chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara chakra, crown of the head. Since head is bent inside, thyroid and parathyroid glands will activate it. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward. Head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the backbone. Due to insulin normalization, the diabetic will not happen. Even if you have diabetic, it will reduce. Exhaling, bring left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears, slowly lift yourself up. Bend back from the cervical region. Concentration at Vishuddhi chakra. Exhaling, bring the hands to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the back. Relax. Relax and recollect all the asanas, and all the chakras are getting got activated during the Surya Namaskar. Recollect all of them. Turning from right, come to sitting position. We will do Konasana. Bring both the hands very close to the hips behind the back. Toes together, stretching forward. Elbow straight, look straight. Now, taking support from the palms and the heels, Inhaling, lift yourself up from the central part of the body. Knee straight. Try to place the entire feet on the floor. Toes should touch the floor, but don't bend the knees. Try to lift yourself up. Normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back and sit in Vajrasana. Keeping both the hands towards right. Fold the legs from left side in one go. Heels together, toes together, heels apart, sit in between. Hands on the knees, relaxed. Those who are comfortable, we will do Supta Vajrasana today. Very good. This is very useful for ladies. At least try to the 50%, if not completely. Keep both the heels, the legs little apart. The feet, the heels should go a little apart from the hips and sit in between. You should be able to sit on the asana, completely on the floor. Once you are comfortable in this position, holding first right hand, holding the feet, slowly bend back, place the elbows on the floor simultaneously from right and left. First right and then left. If you are comfortable here and if you cannot bend back, you can stay here. Those who are comfortable, slowly bend back, take out the hands. Palms should go under the head as a pillow. Completely relax. Entire spinal cord is relaxed on the floor. Without you noticing, knees will go away. They will go apart. Try to bring them closer. Entire nervous system will get toned up. The backbone will get strengthened. Normal breathing. If you are comfortable, you can stay there as much as possible up to your capacity. If you are not comfortable, slowly bring the hands towards the feet, holding right hand, right elbow on the floor first, then left elbow. Slowly lift yourself up. Slowly come back and sit in Vajrasana for some time. Once you are comfortable in Vajrasana, we will do Shashakasana, which will normalize our breath and the wavering mind will go away, the tension will go away. Inhaling, take both the hands up from the front at the shoulder level. Inhale, stretch them up without lifting the hips from the heels. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. First place palms on the floor. Slowly bend forward, elbows on the floor. And final position, forehead on the floor. But make sure hips are on the heels. Should not lift from the heels. Relax. Normal breathing. Whenever you are in tension, you can come to this position. The wavering mind will stabilize. All benefits of Shavasana also will get in this position. Inhaling, slowly straighten the elbows. Shoulders along with the ears, slowly lift yourself up. Lift yourself up, keeping the stretch as is. Bring the hands from the sideways while exhaling. And lie down on the abdomen. Sithilasana, right side, Vishram. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung gloves on the floor, shoulders in normal position. Sithilasana, right side will normalize the high blood pressure. If you are not getting sleep in the night, come to this position, you will get sleep little quicker. Slowly come to abdomen. Hands along with the body. Forehead on the floor. We will do Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is known as Rambhan for back pain. So forehead on the floor. Fold both the legs. Catch hold of the ankles. All 5 fingers looking one side, the outer side. Holding both the legs with hands. First exhaling. Lift the knees a little. Inhaling. Lift the head and the chest. Only abdomen area should be on the floor. Throw away the legs. Lift yourself up. Stay there. Normal breathing. If you cannot stay, exhaling, slowly come back. And Sithilasana, left side Vishrant. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Sithilasana, left side will normalize low blood pressure. If you are in tension, Sithilasana, left side will normalize. Bring the right hand under the head, turning from right. Come on to the backbone. Keep hands along with the body. Legs straight. We will do Setu Bandhasana. Since we did Chakrasana last time, but let's do Setu Bandhasana so that we'll get more flexibility, then we can continue doing Chakrasana. First, fold both the legs. Bring the heels very close to the hips. You can take support from the hands to bring it closer to hips. Now, catch hold of the ankles, respective ankles with the hands. Inhaling, lift the central part of the body up. Head and neck should be on the floor. Rest of the body should be lifted up. Lift as much as possible, but make sure you are holding the ankles. In the final position, normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back. Straighten the legs. We will quickly do Hastapadottanasana. Normalize your breath. Inhaling, slowly lift legs and hands, also the shoulders. Lift yourself up. Only hips should be on the floor. Hands parallel to the legs. Shoulders at the level of where ankles are there. Stay there for some time. Exhaling, slowly come back. Relax in Savasana. Hands along with the body. Little distance between two legs. Little toe towards the floor. Entire body in still position. Scan the still body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe with mental eye. While inhaling, start scanning from right leg to head. While exhaling, scan from head to left leg toes and vice versa. Turning from right, come to sitting position. We will do clapping. We will start clapping. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slowly increase the speed. Slowly decrease the speed. Now start clapping from sideways. And inside. With the right hand, try to clap on the rear side of the palm. Similarly, with the left hand on the rear side of the palm. With the right hand, try to massage the wrist part. Similarly, with the left hand, right wrist. Now massage each and every finger at the root. Relax. You can unmute. We'll go for Hasi for a minute. Inhaling wholeheartedly. Let's laugh together. Relax. Come to Padmasana or whichever asana you are comfortable with. We'll go for pranayama. Both the hands on the knees. We will do Kapalbhati pranayam. Keep both the hands on the knees. Holding both the knees. First, exhale. Exhale completely. And then start inhaling. Inhale up to the grim. Apply Mulban. Holding breath inside. Sitting on Mulban. Go on, expel the air. And pull the navel deep inside every exhalation. But don't inhale. Without you noticing, little bit of air will come inside. That is enough for exhaling again. Up to your capacity. Go on expelling air. Those who has heart elements or high blood pressure should not apply bandhas or hold the breath. Let's do it. Inhale, hold the breath inside, apply Mulban. Start exhaling. In the final stage, exhale completely. Apply Triban. You're already on Mulban. Pull the navel deep inside. That is Udiyan Ban. And lock the throat with Chin. That is Jalandhar Ban. Be there for some time. Release bandhas. Start inhaling gently up to the throat. Again apply Triban. Release bandhas. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. First exhale and then start inhaling. Inhale up to the grim. Apply Mulban. Holding breath inside. Sitting on Mulban. Go on expelling the air. In the final stage, exhale completely. Apply Triban. Hold for some time. Release bandhas. Start inhaling up to the grim. Again apply Triban. Release and repeat one more time. relax. Once you are done, relax, don't stop in between. We will do Ujjayi Pranayam. Both the hands on the knees. Fold the tongue and place it at the upper palate. Close the lips. Now, listen to me and then repeat. Holding tongue and place it at the upper palate. Inhale while making a snoring sound. Hold the breath inside. Those who can apply Triban, they can apply Triban. Hold for some time. Release bandhas. And exhale. Again, while exhaling, make a snoring sound. Completely exhale. And then again apply Triban. Hold for some time. Release. That is one round. And then we can repeat 2 more times. Let me repeat. Fold the tongue. Place it at the upper palate. And stretch maximum. Close the lips. Start inhaling. Try to make sound. If you cannot make sound while inhaling, try to make a sound while exhaling. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. Any infection at the throat will go away. Try to do it one more time. Once you complete the rounds, relax. The voice clarity will improve. The infection at the throat will go away. The entire pipe, the air pipe will get torn up or clean up. So gently massage. Once you are done, gently massage at your throat. Relax. We'll go for pranayama. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will chant Om 10 times with 1:1 ratio. First listen to me for twice and then join. Om, 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 Om. Now start chanting Om internally 20 times. Concentration at Agnya Chakra. Slowly move your concentration towards breathing. Your focus should be at the tip of the nose. Slowly travel along with the inhalation and exhalation and focus on the breath. Slowly start focusing on the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe as a spectator. Try to come out of each thought as early as possible so that the other thought will come in. With continuous practice, we will go to a state where it will be thoughtless mind. That is starting point for self-realization. Remember your favorite God in the form of Jyoti. Relax. We will chant Om and then Mrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this blissful atmosphere for some time. Enjoy the bliss. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back. Let's normalize the blood circulation at the legs. Right and left. Rotate the feet clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.